6 real signs your relationship is lacking communication and emotional support. A healthy and harmonious relationship can only be built when two people in it have a strong foundation. One of them is communication and emotional support between couples. The following are 6 real signs that your relationship lacks communication and emotional support. Number 1. He downplays your feelings. When bad things happen in a relationship, and your partner consistently responds to it by playing down your feelings or being inconsiderate, then chances are, your relationship is lacking in communication and emotional support. What you need to do to overcome it is directly discuss with your partner. Then, find a solution together, so that a situation like this doesn't last too long. Number 2. He tends to avoid physical closeness. Basically, a partner who is unable to provide you with emotional support will inevitably show it through their actions or shortcomings. For example, such as hugging you in a way that is rigid and lacks affection, or avoiding physical closeness altogether, which should be normal when having a romantic relationship with another person. Number 3. He doesn't help you to be a better person. If your partner is a person who tends to avoid conflict, chances are, he will not be able to help you to become a better person from the emotional side. Because, emotional support, it's not just always about motivational words or sheer enthusiasm, but also challenges, debates, and constructive criticism, so you can continue to develop and move forward. Number 4. He tends to show less interest in the goals you have set. If your partner often looks embarrassed and not enthusiastic when giving feedback on your achievements, or whatever you are currently working on, that's a sign if he never supports you emotionally. In fact, as a good partner, he should be able to show empathy and pride when his partner is successful. You can invite your partner to talk heart to heart, so he knows your expectations for a relationship, and vice versa. Number 5. He is indifferent and doesn't do anything to make you feel better. Maybe you've felt this one sign. When you're feeling lost of motivation and lazy to do activities, he doesn't do anything to cheer you up and make you feel better. It's clear, this shows that he doesn't care more about you as his partner. Number 6. He never heeds your complaints about something. You need to know, there's a pretty clear difference between being a complainer and complaining about something really bad. So, if you want to express an opinion about something that you think is bad, while he doesn't heed it or just responds as if you are too dramatic, it may be true that he is not an emotionally supportive partner. These are 6 signs of a real relationship lack of communication and emotional support. Fix and communicate now.